Aloha friends, in this online guitar lesson, Jimmy Dillon is going to show you how to play Drinkin' Problem by Midland. To better learn this song, get the free guitar blueprint with all the chords, tabs, lyrics, and more at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it'll help you learn this song a lot easier.
Drinkin' Problem by Midland. Great band, a real throwback band. I've seen these guys live. They're really, really great. By the way, if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe. It means a lot to me and I'd love to hear from you. So hit me up with any questions or comments, okay? So we're capoed up on the second fret on this one just to make it easier. If you want to, you can play it in the first position E. But we're going to do it this way because I think it's going to be easier for most people. It has a little intro. It's in the key of E, but we're going to call out the shapes as I play them. Here's a D. There's a little lick. It goes little intro lick. It's on the G string, and you just go up to. Okay, working off of this D shape. That comes into goes to A minor. Think I got A minor to G. I'm on D. C. B minor and B minor 7th. There's a little lick there. Here's a. That's an A minor. I think I got no problem at all.
Hey friends, we've got a super exciting announcement and we'll get you right back to your guitar lesson. Every Wednesday, Jimmy picks a few winners to give away prizes like free guitar courses, swag and apparel, and occasionally we'll even give away free guitars, gear, and sometimes we even give away cold, hard cash. All you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're automatically entered into the contest. So, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification to get updates. And be sure to like the video and comment down below and you'll earn even more chances to win. Winners will be announced every Wednesday in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. So keep an eye out for your name being called and good luck. Okay, back to your guitar lesson.
Chorus section goes G, A minor. Second verse. Let's go. A minor, D, G, E minor, A minor, D, G, D minor, A minor. And it sets up the chorus to the D. A minor. People say I gotta do G. A minor. Oh, to D. It goes to a C. Then up to your B minor. And then a 7th. Back to your A minor. it goes to this little post-chorus. Keep on talking, E minor. That was a G. Keep on talking, E minor. A minor. Call it a problem, D. Call it a solution. And then G again. E minor. A minor. Then it does a little. Then it goes to the second half of the chorus. Broke the C to the B minor, and then hit a B minor 7th, and then A minor, G, D, and then it goes out. The vamp is just that little post-chorus section which goes G to E minor. Keep on talking, E minor. So, yeah, it's a really easy strum kind of song, and it's really all about the vibe and the singing on that one. So hopefully that gave you a little insight into Drinkin' Problem. This song has, I know, been a big one for Midland, and if you haven't checked out Midland, you should. If you like kind of good old rootsy country with a little bit of a, I don't know if it's an Austin twist or what, but I really like their whole approach to, I think they take their cue from kind of the 70s, a little Dwight Yoakam in there maybe, and some good old, good time country. I really like it. So we'll see you down the road.
Thank you so much for checking out this online guitar lesson with Jimmy Dillon. Remember, you can get the free guitar blueprint for this song that'll help you learn it a lot easier at jimmydillon.com/blueprint. It's totally free and it's yours to keep. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel and hit the bell notification, because every Wednesday we pick random winners to give away guitar courses, swag, guitar gear, and sometimes we even give away cold hard cash. And all you have to do is be subscribed to the channel and you're eligible to win. And if you want even more chances to win, like this video and leave a comment down below and share it with any friends you think might enjoy. All winners will be announced in our Wednesday video and in our community tab. Good luck.